Okay, I wanted to show you guys a little update of something fun that I just added to the she shed. So look how pretty this table is from Decor Steels. Let me give you a close-up. The top is super pretty. It matches my wicker to a T. And I love that it's technically then 3 shelves. So you have 3 different looks that you can go for. Baskets would be super cute. This would be really cute like in a locker room or a mud room, and keep like shoes and stuff like that on there. Just wanted to share that. It's perfect in here.
If you like this video, remember to hit that like button so more people like you will see these videos. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos.